Scientists combined alien DNA with human cells in an attempt to create an entirely new form of life. Just as the syringe pierced the cell, the camera suddenly malfunctioned. Unable to observe the internal changes, the researcher immediately replaced the broken camera. To their surprise, as soon as the new feed came online, they discovered the cell had already begun to mutate. Dr. Boston sensed trouble and urgently ordered the two to close the sealed chamber. But at that very moment, one of them accidentally dropped a screw, which fell straight through the floor grating. As the cell inside the chamber grew larger and larger, the two frantically crouched down to search for the screw. However, the grating was welded in place. They couldn't move it at all. By now, the cell had become enormous. No one knew what would happen next. Seeing this, one researcher wanted to leave the laboratory, but the doctor firmly refused. Whatever was inside could potentially contaminate the entire base. In desperation, the man grabbed a stool and frantically smashed at the protective glass. Just then, the cell inside underwent another mutation. Seeing the creature about to escape, the man rushed forward to hold the chamber door shut, but cracks soon appeared in the glass. The doctor immediately pressed the button to incinerate the creature, but it had no effect. To prevent the situation from escalating further, the doctor decided to activate emergency protocols. In 2 minutes, the entire laboratory would be reduced to ashes. The man grabbed the gas canister and sprayed furiously at the creature, but it moved too fast, instantly darting into a corner to hide. Seeing this, the man grabbed a steel rod and jabbed repeatedly at the creature until it stopped moving. Everyone thought it was dead. The doctor was about to open the door when, in the next second, the creature revolved again, growing even larger than before. The two people inside fell into complete despair. Less than 30 seconds remained before incineration began. Despite this, the doctor still refused to open the door. He had to ensure the safety of the entire base. Left with no choice, the others pushed the doctor aside and forcibly pressed the button to open the steel door. The moment the two escaped from the laboratory, fierce flames erupted inside, reducing everything to ashes. Where did such terrifying alien DNA come from? Back in 1974, in an effort to explore life beyond Earth, they transmitted a radio message into space containing Earth's location and human DNA information. It wasn't until 1993 that they finally received a response, a mysterious message containing alien DNA sequences and instructions on how to combine them with human DNA to create new life forms. From that point on, the doctor began his experiments. Despite the previous failure, he refused to give up. After hundreds of attempts, he finally achieved a breakthrough. An egg cell named Syl successfully fused perfectly with the alien DNA. What they hadn't anticipated was that this human embryo with alien genes would grow at an unimaginable rate. In less than a month after birth, she had already grown to look like a 12-year-old girl. Or still, her body seemed to be undergoing some kind of transformation. This change deeply concerned the base's senior leadership. For safety reasons, they decided to immediately terminate the experiment and destroy the test subject.